Okay, good afternoon, student. Let us solve some more numericals for Buckingham's method. Okay, here is a numerical. The pressure difference delta P in a pipe of a diameter D and length L due to turbulent flow means here we are having pressure difference, that is delta P. Okay, in a pipe of diameter D, length L due to turbulent flow. Here what flow we are having? We are having turbulent flow. Depends on the velocity V, viscosity mu, density rho, and roughness k. Generally roughness we will make in length. On how we will make roughness, generally it will make in length, that is L. Okay, using Buckingham's theorem, pi theorem, obtain expression for delta P. Here what we have to find? Delta P we have to find. That is our ultimate target. Procedure is same but with different method we can say here. Delta P is a function of D, that is nothing but diameter, V is velocity, L is nothing but length, mu is viscosity, rho is density, and K is roughness. Roughness means just how much rough it is there. We have to find out that value, that is K value. Now delta P is equal to f of function of D, L, V, mu, rho, K. This function, this equation can also written as f1 of delta P will come into inside, that is delta P into, that is delta P is nothing but pressure difference, comma D, comma L, comma V, comma mu, comma rho K, that is equal to 0. Make it as equation number 1. Now total number of variables how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So number of variables is equal to 7. Now dimensions delta P is equal to, delta P is m L power minus 1 T power minus 1, D is L, L is equal to L, again length is length, V is nothing but velocity, that is length into time power minus 1, viscosity mu is equal to m into L power minus 1 into T to the power of minus 1, and density rho m into L to the power of minus 3, K is nothing but L. Now number of fundamental dimensions is 3, that is mass, length, and time. Now number of pi terms is equal to n into minus m. What is n value here? N value is 7 and m value is 3, that is equal to 4. Now again I have written here, that is number of fundamental dimensions m is equal to 3. Number of pi terms is equal to n minus m, that is 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Now equation 1 can be grouped in 4 pi terms, that is f1 of pi 1, pi 2, pi 3, pi 4 is equal to 0. Make it as equation number 2. Now each pi term contains m plus 1, that is equal to 3 plus 1, 4 variables. Means whatever pi term it is there, pi 1, pi 2, pi 3, pi 4. That's why we are taking here 4 variables. Out of 4, 3 variables are repeating variables. That is choosing, here I am choosing the values of D, V, rho. These all are repeating variables because D is having length, V is having L into T power minus 1, and rho is having ml power minus 3. These are the repeating variables. We have 4 pi terms as pi 1 is equal to d to the power of a1, v to the power of b1, rho to the power of c1 into delta p. Now pi 2 is equal to d power a2, v power b2, rho power c2 into length. Pi 3 is equal to d power a3 into v power b3 into rho power c3 into mu. Like here delta P length, delta P is nothing but pressure difference, L is nothing but length, mu is nothing but viscosity, K is nothing but roughness. These are the main terms we are choosing here. Remaining all are means diameter, velocity, and rho. Rho is nothing but density. These three we are preferring as repeating variables. That is pi 3 is equal to d power a3 into v power b3 into rho power c3, and similarly pi 4. Now first pi term, that is pi 1 is equal to d to the power of a1 into v to the power of b1 into rho to the power of c1 into delta p. What we have to do in next step? We have to substitute the dimensions. What is pi 1 dimension? Pi 1 is dimensionless. What is pi 1? Pi 1 is dimensionless. That is m power 0 into L to the power of 0 into T to the power of 0. M power 0 means 1. L power 0 means 1. T power 0 means 1. So constant value we are getting. So So in that indirectly we can say that pi term as dimensionless, and diameter we can say in length, and velocity we can say as L into T power minus 1, and rho we can say as m into L power minus 3. Delta P is m into L power minus 1 into T to the power of minus 2. Now next step what we have to do? We have to equate the powers of m, L2 on both sides. First of all, power of m. How much value here it is there? 0. That is equal to, now where we are having m value, here it is there, m power c1, that is c1 plus, and here one more m it is there, here on power nothing is there, so c1 plus 1. So therefore c1 is equal to minus 1. Now power of L, how much power here it is there? 0 is equal to a1 plus b1 plus minus 3c1 minus 1. So if here main term is what? a1, that is a1 is equal to minus b1 plus 3c1 plus 1, means entire term will going into the left hand side. Okay, now power of t is equal t, that is 0 is equal to minus b1 minus 2. Here t is absent, here t is absent, so here t is present, that is minus b1 minus 2. Now b1 is equal to minus 2. Okay, now here substitute the b1 and c1 in a1. Okay, that is a1 is equal to 2 minus 3 plus 1, that is equal to 0. Why? Because here b1 value is minus 2, here already minus it is there, so minus of minus minus, that is minus 3 into 1, 3 plus 1, that is 2 minus 1, 2 minus 3 minus 1, minus 1 plus 1, 0, that is our a1 value. So finally a1 is equal to 0, b1 is equal to minus 2, c1 is equal to minus 1. Substituting the values of pi 1 in equation number pi 1, that is pi 1 is equal to d power 0 into v power minus 2 into rho to the power of minus 1 into delta p. So finally what will get? Delta p divided by rho v square, because here rho power minus 1 is there, it will come into the denominator, that is rho into v square. Again now second term, that is pi 2 is equal to, again same procedure, d power a2 into v power b2 into rho power c2 into, here the value will be changed into the length. Again substitute the values of powers here, m power 0, L power 0, t power 0, d is nothing but L into L power a2 into velocity is nothing but L into t power minus 1 whole power b2, and rho is m L power minus 3 whole power c2 into L, because L is only length, is only length. Now again substitute power of m, substituting the values of powers, that is power of m 0 is equal to c2. How? 0 is equal to, where m is there, on the power of c2, in the column of c2 we are having m value, so c2 is equal to 0, and power of L 0 is equal to L 0 is equal to a2 plus b2 minus 3c2 plus 1. See here, a2 plus b2 minus 3c2 plus 1. So making a2 as common value, that is a2 is equal to minus b2 plus 3c2 minus 1. So power of t is equal to, what is the power of t? See here, 0 is equal to, where t is there, at power of b we are having, so minus b2. So b2 value will be 0. Now power of L is equal, from power of L, a2 is equal to, b2 value how much? 0, and c2 value 0, minus 1 minus 1, that is equal to minus 1. So a2 value is minus 1, b2 and c2 values are 0. Now substitute the a2 value, b2 value, c2 value in pi 2, that is pi 2 is equal to d power minus 1 into v power 0 into rho power 0 into L. V power 0 means 1, rho power 0 means 1. So here d power minus 1 is there, it will come into the denominator, that is L to the power of d. Now third pi term, that is pi 3 is equal to d to the power of a3 into v to the power of b3 into rho to the power of c3. Again same procedure, find out the value of a3, b3 and c3. Here I am getting a3 as minus 1, B3 as -1, C3 as -1. Same procedure is same, but only the change is here, mu value will be changed. The dimension of mu is m to the power of m into 1, m power 1 into L to the power of -1 into T to the power of -1. Remaining procedure is same. Power of m we have to find, power of L we have to find, power of T we have to find. By calculating this one I am getting A3 value -1, B3 value -1, C3 value -1. Again substitute in pi 3. So the final value is mu divided by D into V into rho. So finally fourth pi term. Again same procedure. Instead of the dimension of k here is L. Same procedure, find out power of m, power of L, power of T, and finally here I am getting A4 as -1, B4 as 0, and C4 as 0. Substitute in pi 4. That is pi 4 is equal to D to the power of -1, V to the power of 0, rho to the power of 0. V to the power of 0 means 1, rho to the power of 0 means 1, and k is constant, that is k value. K divided by D, because here D to the power of -1 we are having. So now we got pi 1 value, pi 2 value, pi 3 value, pi 4 value. Substitute in equation number 2. Substitute pi 1, pi 2, pi 3 in equation number 2. That is F1 of delta P by rho v square into L by D into mu divided by dV rho into K by D. Now delta P I am making separate. That is x1 is equal to phi of, instead of function I am taking here phi value, into L by D into mu divided by dV rho, here this is rho, okay, and K divided by D. This is our final answer. And with these values we can find one more value, that is Reynolds number value. I think in fluid mechanics 2 we have find out the value of Reynolds number. There we have used one formula, 4f L v square by rho GD. With this formula only we can find that one. How we can find, we will see now. Expression for HF, that is pressure head. From experiments it was observed that pressure difference delta P is linear function of L by D. Generally if you see length, it is based on length and upon diameter. The pressure head, it will be depend upon length upon diameter. What is our equation? Delta P by rho v square is equal to L by D into, L by D I am making outside, into mu divided by dV rho into K divided by D. Now here whatever v square it is going into the right hand side. Okay, now dividing by g to both sides. Okay, means on both sides we are making g. If I am cancelling g and g, equation will be the same. Now phi of mu divided by dV rho and K divided by contains two terms. How much we are having? Two terms. The first one is mu divided by dV rho. This is nothing but Reynolds number. If you see in from fluid mechanics 2 it is there. Okay. If you see from fluid mechanics 2 in experiments also you heard on this one, that is mu divided by dV rho is Reynolds number, that is Re. And second one K by D is nothing but here roughness factor. What is K by divided by, that is roughness factor. Now this both terms is equal to F. This both 1 divided by Reynolds number and K divided by T is nothing but F. That is nothing but friction of Reynolds number. Okay, friction, or we can say function of Reynolds number and roughness factor. Okay, that is the value. Instead of these all values I am taking here as F value, that is delta P by rho g is equal to 4f by 2 into v square by L divided by GD, because f is equal to 5 into, means whole time I am taking as f value. So delta P by rho g is equal to hf, that is nothing but head factor is equal to 4f Lv square by 2GD, you can say, or D into 2G you can say. Now you may have doubt where this 4 and 2 value came. Okay, means here there is one value, pi value. What is pi value? Pi value is, for suppose if you see the dimension, how it is there, m power 1 into L power 1 into sorry, m power 0 into L power 0 into T power 0, means anything constant value into, you will get constant. Whether if you make 1 into 2 is equal to 2, 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So that's why we are taking 4 divided by 2. 2 is there already, and this 4 I am taking like just for my formula base, that is multiplying or dividing by any constant does not change character of pi term. Means if you are multiplying or dividing any constant value, it will be changed pi term, it won't change. If I am making multiplying dividing like g or anything, then pi term will be changed. So here pi term is not changing. For this purpose I have taken the value of 4. So here we got the value delta P by rho g is equal to HF, that is head value, pressure head value is equal to 4F LV square by D into 2G. I think you have seen this one in your fluid mechanics too when performing the Reynolds number equation. Now let's go to one more numerical. Using Buckingham's pi theorem shows that discharge Q assumed by an oil ring is given by, here directly he has given equation for that ring. For that equation we have to solve. Here D is internal diameter of ring, N is rotational speed, here N is new term for you, rho is density, mu is viscosity, sigma is surface tension, and W is specific weight of oil. Everything is known value, only the new value is here N value. Now again same, given Q is equal to F of D N rho mu sigma W. Okay, now here this equation also can also written as this Q will come into the inside, that is F1 of Q comma D comma N comma rho mu sigma W. How many variables we are having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 and 7. So total number of variables N is equal to 7. Give the dimensions of each and everything. That is Q is equal to L power 3 into T power minus 1. D is nothing but L. N is equal to T power minus 1. Rho is equal to M into L power minus 3. Mu is equal to M to the power of M to the power of 1 into L to the power of minus 1 into T to the power of minus 1. And sigma M to the power M into T to the power of minus 2. And W value is M into L to the power of minus 2 into T to the power of minus 2. Now if you see, by seeing all dimensions, how many fundamental dimensions we are having? Mass, length and time. So fundamental dimension M is equal to 3. Therefore number of pi terms is equal to N minus M, that is 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Equation 1 becomes F1 of pi 1 comma pi 2 comma pi 3 comma pi 4. So here 4 pi terms we are having, pi 1, pi 2, pi 3, pi 4. 4 terms we have to find the A1, B1 sorry, A1 value, B1 value, C1 value, and A2, B2, C2. Like this we have to find, and we have to substitute in this value. Now choosing D and rho as repeating variables. Here what we are preferring the values of D, because here already D value I am preferring repeating value, and next value I am preferring N value, that is speed. Next rho we are making as repeating variables, remaining all are constant, that is pi 1 is equal to D to the power of A1 into N to the power of B1 into rho to the power of C1 into Q. Similarly pi 2, similarly pi 3, similarly pi 4, and we can make this as equation number 3 also, if not your wish, that is. Now first pi term, pi 1 is equal to D to the power of A1 into N to the power of B1 into rho to the power of C1 into Q. Apply the dimensions. What is pi 1? Pi 1 is nothing but dimension less, that is M to the power of 0 into L to the power of 0 into T to the power of 0. Substitute the dimension of D, that is length. Speed is T to the power of minus 1. Rho is M into L to the power of minus 3. And Q is L cube into T to the power of minus 1. What is our next step? We have to equate the powers, that is first power of M, 0 is equal to, where M it is there, on C it is there, that is 0 is equal to C1, so therefore C1 value will be 0. Next power of L is equal to, 0 is equal to A1 minus 3C1, here C3 I have taken, C1, that is 3C1 plus 3, that is A1 is equal to 3C1 minus 3, C1 value how much? 0, 3 into 0 minus 3, minus 3. Now power of T, 0 is equal to minus B1 minus 1. So therefore B1 is equal to minus 1. Substitute the values of A1, B1, C1 in pi value. That is pi 1 is equal to D to the power of minus 3 into N to the power of minus 1 into rho to the power of 0 into Q. What is the value of rho to the power of 0? 1. So final equation is Q divided by D cube into N. Similarly, find out the value of second pi term. Okay, only the change, substitute the value in pi2. Okay, here I am getting a2 as minus 2, b2 as minus 1, c2 as minus 1. If I am substituting these all values in pi2, I am getting d to the power of minus 2 into n to the power of minus 1 into rho to the power of minus 1 into mu. That is equal to mu divided by d square into n into rho. So pi1 value is a pi2 value. Similarly, find out the value of third pi term. Pi3 here I am getting, if I am same procedure is same, only the change values will be changed here. Here sigma value will be changed, and if the value is changing here, dimension also will be changed. Substitute here the values and find out the values of a3, b3, c3. And if I am finding here the value, then I am getting the pi3 value as sigma divided by d cube n square rho. Similarly, fourth term, that is w divided by d n square rho. Now next step, what we have to do? F1 we have to substitute pi1, pi2, pi3, pi4 in equation number 2. So f of q divided by d cube n into mu divided by d rho n d square. Again same values here, and here what I am doing, I am separating q, that is x1 value, x1 is equal to f1 of x2, x3, x4, like this. And so finally q is equal to d cube n into 5 into mu divided by rho n d square, comma sigma divided by d cube n square rho, and w divided by d n square rho. Where we have seen this equation? In question we have seen same equation. Okay, so it is matching or not from what he has given. So the derivation is there here. So friend, so this is about today's lecture. Thank you, and after this lecture I will share the notes for you. Thank you.